Hello great mind, you're welcome to this tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to just show you how you're going to edit the Canva templates. Alright, you can see I don't want to scroll down. Alright, you have more than 50 templates. Alright, so many of them, some of them are like about 3 or 4 have about 20 different designs and different pages. Alright, so I may need to do an edit to that so that you will see how I will edit one of them and save one. Alright, so the first thing I want you to note, alright, now if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you'll begin to see videos that I'll be posting henceforth. Alright, so make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out of the updates. Alright, so hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, now you can see you're a champ. Welcome to the world of creativity. Now this is the warning. So this is take note of this warning because it is very important. Alright, because Canva is a cloud-based platform. So if you begin to edit, because you're not going to be the only one to have access to these particular designs here. Alright, so don't open the links and start edit immediately. Alright, don't open the link because it's going to affect the entire design. Okay, alright, whether you're a designer, professional designer, or you're not, don't open the links and then you start editing immediately. So what you're going to do now, look at this warning. Make sure you make a copy immediately you open any of the designs before making any edits. Alright, so for example, look at this particular link. If I open this particular link right now, you can see that it is opening an interface for me. Alright, so this is a wedding design I made for someone. So don't come and then you begin to edit immediately. Do not do that. So the first thing you are going to do, you are going to first go home. Alright, just go home. Okay, alright, if there's a way you can make a copy, maybe with your phone or something, there's no such button right now here. So what you're going to do, go straight. You can see that this thing, anyone with the link can edit. Alright, so don't edit here, do not do that. So what you're going to do is first just come here and go home, just click home. Alright, so click home. When you go home, you're going to see this particular design you have opened. You are going to see it right here in your recent designs. Okay, so you're going to see it right here. So what you're going to do, just click this three dot, this menu icon, these 3 dots, and then you will see make a copy. So when you make a copy, it's going to duplicate it and the other one is going to be your own. So when you click make a copy, you can see that it has made a copy of the copy. So do not edit this first one. Come here, and this is what you're going to do for all the designs. So come here, you can double click this one. When you double click it, then you can begin your customization. Alright, so when you can begin, just double click and then you can write whatever you want to write. Alright, so you can write whatever you want to write, the families of, you can edit and customize the way you want to write it. And then who is that, you can edit, just Control A, or you can just double click it with your phone and backspace delete and then begin to write your own stuffs there. Alright, so this point that I've just shown you is very, very important. Do not customize directly. First, you have to first make a copy. When you open the link, go home, then you will see it, that particular link you've opened in your recent designs. Then you tap on the options and then make a copy. Alright, now what if the design you are supposed to do, let me go off here. What if the design you're going to do has lots of pages? How do you export? Let's check this. 10 professional business designs, 10 professional business flyer designs. So I'm going to click this, I'm going to open it, and then you're going to see a lots of designs here, like 10 very professional and clean ones, okay, that you can customize for yourself. Alright, so if you want to change this image, it's actually very easy for you to do. If you want to change this image here, Alright, I think this is the image. This is where it is. If you want to change this image, you can come to elements. Any element you want to get, you can get them from here. You can see graphic, you can see lines, you can see shapes and all of that. Whatever you don't like, you can delete it. So you can come to scroll down, you're going to see photos. You can click see all, and then you can search for photo. Alright, so you can say someone with a laptop. Okay, so if I just search for this someone with a laptop, you can see some of them are pro. Alright, so most of the ones I'm seeing here, they are pro, but this is free. Alright, so I'm just going to click this. Okay, you can see it here, then move it to that particular place. You can see that has gone inside. Okay, so you can just check and you know, check for any stuff. Okay, seems my network is misbehaving. Just search for any of the photos you want to, if that is if you want to change. All right, so now you can see different designs here. Now if you want to customize, let's say if you have finished customizing, let's say this, and you want to save, just click on share. You want to, this is page 8. all right, click on share, and then you're going to see download. Click on download, this drop down here, click on it, and then you are going to select, you are not downloading all of them. And do not forget, before you make edits to this one also, you need to go back home. Don't ever forget this. Go back home first. When you get home, go check your designs. Alright, I'm going to discard changes. When you go back home, come here and check your designs below here. Come here, your recent designs. You're going to, can you see this? So click on these 3 dots. If you are using smartphone, follow the same procedure. Click on these 3 dots and then make a copy. When you make a copy, it will duplicate it. So the duplicate is what you are going to edit. That's what you are going to customize to your own. Alright, so I didn't duplicate because I don't need to do that. I've shown you before. Alright, so I'm just going to show you, if you want to customize a particular one and save that particular one, how do you do that? Let's say we have done design number 8 and I want to customize and I want to save this particular one. Click on share, click on download, just a drop down, or you can click download, then select pages. So all pages, if you download now, all of them are going to download, and that's not what you want. Alright, so just click on this drop down here and then on select. You can see that the current page 8 is selected already. On select these other ones, or deselect rather, deselect these other ones, and click on this current page. Alright, current page done. So you are now downloading page 8, which is the current page you are on. So do you understand my point? So you can choose the formats here, and then you're good to go. So you can just click on download, and that particular page, page 8, is being downloaded. You can see it over there, it's downloaded already. Alright, so if I want to customize it, it's just double click. It's a matter of just double clicking and writing what you want to put there. Alright, so what you want to put there, you can put that there. Okay, digital marketing agency, you can just put that. You can zoom and then edit, do whatever you want to do, and then you can save it the way I've just shown you. So that's how to edit these Canva templates. Don't forget, make sure you make a copy. Alright, so when you come to this document here, this is actually where you are going to see the link to this particular video I'm making. Alright, so for those of you that have gotten access to the templates, you are going to see the link to this particular edit I'm making, this particular video I'm making here. Alright, so make sure you watch. If you don't watch this video, don't make any edits to these templates. How do you get access to these templates? Alright, if you're watching on YouTube, how do you get access to these templates? Is to enroll for the 4-in-1 editable design template bundles. Alright, containing more than 100 designs, editable designs of CorelDRAW, more than 100 editable on Photoshop, more than 50 editable with Canva. You can see the links here, and also more than 60 actually editable with Pixellab. Alright, all the packages are there for you, and that is, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure you get access. If you've not gotten access to it, make sure you get access to it. So that's how to customize these templates, make sure you make a copy. You can see the warning here, so that you don't alter the designs, the original designs. Okay, so make a copy for yourself and edit that copy and then save for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do that. And if you have not enrolled, check the description of this video and you're going to see a link to enroll today. All right, so you're going to get access to all these templates, and my God, you're going to enjoy every bit of it. You can see 50 plus Canva design links. Okay, and then you design links for design files for Photoshop, compatible Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and Pixellab. All of them are there. So whether you have a laptop or whether you don't, it doesn't really matter. Even this Canva, you can edit them with your smartphone as well. Okay, so you can edit this with smartphone, whether iPhone or Android. And then for Pixellab, Android users can, those using Android phones can do that, can do the customizations. And there's the video link, the tutorial to that is also in the description of this video. You can check that out, how to practically edit PLP files with Pixellab. Alright, and how to do that with Photoshop and how to do that with CorelDRAW are all available. Alright, so these particular template bundles, they are more than 300 design templates, and all of them are going to be given to you at a very, very, very cheap prices. All of them combined together, very discounted price, and you just need to be fast so that you'll be among the first people that are going to get access to this bundle for just a token. The link is in the description. Make sure you visit the site and get access, and then reach out to me on WhatsApp, and you're going to be given a lifetime access to all the templates. And the good news is I'm going to be updating the templates and adding more to them with time. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye for now.